Our oceans face growing pressure from erosion, biodiversity loss, and climate change. Traditional grey infrastructures are no longer enough. We need solutions that work with nature. TRANSEATION project tests hybrid blue-grey infrastructures, combining technology, nature-based practices, and community input to restore biodiversity, enhance ecosystem services, and support a nature-positive future for coastal and offshore areas. The project includes 3 pilot areas demonstrating nature-based innovations. In the first demonstrator, a regenerative artificial reef reduces erosion while supporting marine life with waves, seabed, and biodiversity monitored through field measurements and underwater surveys. In the second demonstrator, around a floating wind turbine, structures encourage marine species to settle and grow, tracked through cameras, sensors, and environmental sampling. The third demonstrator grows mussels and seaweeds on natural bio-based ropes, filtering water, capturing carbon, and creating habitats with regular monitoring of growth and ecosystem effects. These pilots generate valuable insights on how technology and nature can work together. The COSEA app brings this knowledge to everyone, letting citizens explore data, record observations, track biodiversity, and engage with the environment. Financed by TRANSEATION and the Effective project, the app links pilot monitoring with citizen science, turning local actions into meaningful contributions. Together, we can safeguard our coasts and the future of our oceans.